Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I want to show you how to check the operation of the brake light switch. A lot of cars will have the brake light switch right above the brake pedal, right above there. Some cars don't actually have it there, so if yours doesn't, then it's probably on the brake booster. Let me show you where it usually goes. So you have the brake booster here, and sometimes you will have on the side of the brake booster, or even like on the master cylinder right here, on the body of it, you'll have the brake switch mounted in there. But if you want to check if it's operating and working properly, maybe you have brake lights that don't turn on, or you have brake lights that just stay on all the time, something like that. Maybe your shifter the car doesn't get out of park because it does need input from the brake pedal, brake light switch. Sometimes some cars won't even start if they don't have input, or they don't have the brake pedal pressed. So let me show you how to actually check. So you're going to turn on the ignition. You don't have to start the car. You can, but you don't have to. Then turn on your YOUCANIC scanner and plug it into the OBD2 port. Then on the scanner, go to diagnostics, select your make, select smart VIN, and then press OK, press yes. Once you see the screen with the make and model, just press yes to confirm that. Go to control modules, go to body. In this case, you want to go to, on Mercedes, you want to go to rear signal acquisition control unit. Now, some other cars, it's going to be some a module along the same way, but the naming of it can change. If you suspect issues and you're not sure which control module it is, then on a previous screen here, just run a quick scan. You most likely are going to have some fault codes in one of the control modules that indicate issue with the brake light switch. But if you don't, then you have to kind of figure out what your specific make calls, monitors the brake light switch. A lot of times it might be the ABS control unit as well. So, but let's go here to rear signal acquisition, and then go to live data. First, you're going to look at switch brake lights. This is the actual switch, and it says not activated. So if I press that, it says activated, and then 10.5 volts. You can start it, the car, and then you can actually try that with the car running as well. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the car, turn the ignition back on. Now there's another thing you can check, especially if you're having issues with the brake lights. Go back, go to exterior illumination, brake light, and then here you set left brake light, inner brake light, center brake light, third brake light above the trunk, right brake light. So you can press the brakes, and then you can see they're all activated. And then you release, you can see that. So this can be helpful because, like I said earlier, you might suspect a faulty brake light switch, and you just want to check, and there's no good way to check without really. I mean, you can take it off and use a multimeter and check all the contacts, but this is just time consuming. Where with this, you can check it real quick. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.